Welcome to MKD Education. Myself, Manibhushan Praharaj, a computer professional from MKD Education. Today, our topic is Computer Software, Chapter 2, Class number 1. So first of all, we all know that what is a computer. Basically, a computer is a multipurpose, programmable and clock-driven electronic device which accept binary data as input, process the data according to the instructions given. But computer itself is not a active set. Computer consists of two types of things. One is hardware and another is software. But today our topic is about computer software and what types of software are needed to run a computer easily successful for our daily work. So now we start the topic. We know about the computer software. Now we tell what is a software. Now before going to software, we clearly know about what is data. So data means it is a raw facts. When the data is processed, it is known as information. So what is an information? Information means the processed data. The data which are processed, it is known as information. Let us consider a temperature of a city 30 degrees Celsius. This is an information. If we tell only 30 degree, this is data. Then some informations are added, it becomes a program. Then from program we get software. So now we come to our topic, what is software? What is the general terms used in our software system? Software is nothing but it is a collection of programs given to a computer system. The software is a collection of programs. Software is a collection of programs given to a computer system. So software is a general term used to describe any set of programs that controls the operation of a computer system. Hardware and software work very closely together and all computer systems need both hardware and software. When a computer system has only hardware, we tell it is a dead set. That means it has no function. Dead set means it has no function. When we added some software to the computer system, it functions properly. So for every computer, every electronic things like our smartphone, we need software. So generally, software is divided into three types. Generally, software is divided into three types. The first one is your system software. The second one is your application software. The third one is your utility software. Then we describe each software separately. The software is a generic term or organized collection of computer data and instructions. The major categories of software are number 1 system software, number 2 application software, number 3 utility software. We describe about these three softwares. In case of system software, it consists of our operating system or commonly known as OS, then network software. Another is your development tools and language translator. This is your development tools. This is your language translator. And another is your database management system, or we can say it DBMS. First of all, we tell about operating system. So what is an operating system? The operating system is known as the heart of the computer. When a computer system or a mobile phone, that is we call nowadays smartphone, has no operating system, then it is known as a dead set. Then what is the work of the operating system? We can say operating system is an interface between the computer, or this is known as the hardware, and the user. To link between hardware and the user, the operating system is required for every computer. The operating system, as it is in the middle of user and hardware, it is known as interface between user and hardware. So we can briefly describe as operating system is a collection of programs which functions all the activities of a computer, including the hardware and the application software. Then second part, we come to the network software. Then what is a network software? Nowadays, as we know that network is nothing but it is a collection of computers together is known as a network. If some networks are connected, it is known as internet. Nowadays, we clearly know about internet. The internet means it is a collection of networks connected together. From internet we can find many things. So internet is known as a global information superhighway. That means it provides the global information. In day-to-day life, we need internet to connect with your computer. So which works to connect a computer with the internet. If there is a computer and we want to connect it to internet using modem or any internet system, then there is a software needed to connect the computer with the internet. This software is known as network software, which is a part of the system software which is used to connect internet with the computer. Next, third one is our development tools. Nowadays there are different types of apps, or developing apps are developed in smartphones, Android phones, also in computers. So this developed tools includes different types of software and programs which helps the programmer and the software developer to develop their applications. So this is also comes under system software. Then another thing is language translator. So what is a language translator? मनकर मु गोटे ओडिया गोटे कथा कहूँ, बट जो स्टूडेंट बसी से तेलुगु कि इंग्लिश बुझुची किंतु ओडिया बुझुनी, तो यही टाइम रे हमको गोटे ट्रांसलेटर दरकार. तो इन बिटवीन वन स्टूडेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड who knows both Odia and that language Telugu. So he knows Odia and tells the details about the factor to the Telugu student. That means the middle student is known as a translator between Odia to Telugu. As from the beginning we know that computer is a machine which knows the binary data in the form of 0-1, which is known as machine codes. So when we are writing the program in C, C++, Java, like high level programming language. So how the computer convert this high level computer language to 0-1 form? For that our system software consists of a language translator. So this translator converts high level programming language to machine code. Also this language translator is of three types. One is your compiler, another is interpreter, and the first one is the assembler. These are the three types of language processor or translator which can convert high level programming language to machine level programming language. And the last one of our system software is database management system. This database management system includes some databases or includes some huge amount of data. To collect this data and become the management software. From that purpose we can develop our hotel management software or any type of school college management software using the application software. Then this is all about the database management software, which includes under the system software. Now another software is known as application software. Then comes to the point, what is an application software? So let us consider an example. तो जेतोले आमे कोन करूचे ना घर गोटे छोट पिलाटे एजुकेशन स्टार्ट करूची ता स्कूलिंग पूर्वरु से गोटे लैंग्वेज शिखुची जोटा तार मदर टंग हमर मदर टंग जेंति ओडिया से पिलाटा ओडिया शिखुची ओडिया होची तार मदर टंग तो जेतेबेले ता स्कूलिंग करियर स्टार्ट कला सेठी से स्कूल ले डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट पढुची जेंति मैथ पढुची फिजिक्स पढुची तो ये मैथ फिजिक्स ए लैंग्वेज गुडा का हम स्कूल ले लिखा उसको उधर ना इंग्लिश रे बट पिला पढ़े कौन ना ओडिया लैंग्वेज शिखी तो हाउ ही नोज अबाउट मैथमेटिक्स सेटा घरे पढ़ीनी नोज अबाउट फिजिक्स घरे पढ़ीनी से फास्ट जोटा पढ़ी तार लैंग्वेज टाको सेटा को वी कैन से दिस इज द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑफ दैट स्टूडेंट तो हियर फॉर ए ओडिया स्टूडेंट द ओडिया लैंग्वेज इज द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम व्हेन ही गोज टू द स्कूल दिस मैथमेटिक्स इज एन एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर फिजिक्स इज एन एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एटा हम घरे शिखिले एटू मैथमेटिक्स केमिति जानिले ना ओडिया लैंग्वेज जानिथिले हमको टीचर पढेला हम सेठू शिखिले मैथमेटिक्स टा एमिति करा जाय जोटा हम घरे पढिने किंतु हम नॉलेज रे हम तो अप्लाई करले दिस इज नोन एज योर एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर तो एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इज ए यूजर फ्रेंडली सॉफ्टवेयर हम कहि परिया फॉर एग्जांपल nowadays we are using Facebook, we are using WhatsApp तो ये सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़ा हम नेट टू डाउनलोड करूचे एंड ये सॉफ्टवेयर थ्रू रे हम कोन करूचे ना पब्लिक रिलेशंस बढ़े करूचे बा पब्लिक ग्रुप रे पोस्ट करि पाछे तो एटा कोन ना इट इज नॉट अ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इट इज नॉट अ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर तो दिस इज ए एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर तो एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर कोन ना एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर फेसबुक गोटे स्पेसिफिक पर्पस पे व्हाट्सएप गोटे स्पेसिफिक पर्पस पे तो एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर टा कोन ना दिस इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच इज यूज्ड फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पर्पस तो वी कैन राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एज इट इज अ सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स दैट यूज्ड फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पर्पस फॉर एग्जांपल इन आवर कंप्यूटर वी आर यूजिंग VLC media player so what is this is a application software we are just click on the VLC media player and listen the music. So in application software there is no need to know about the details how it is formed, how it is designed. So application software is further divided into two types. So here in our slide we can see the application software is two types. One is single function, another is integrated function. Then application software, one is your single function, another is your integrated function. A single function application software means it is used only for a single purpose. Let us consider our word processor. Now we learn about what is a single function software. A single function software is used only for a single purpose. Some of the single function softwares are the number one is word processor software. Number two, presentation software. Number three, our spreadsheet software. Number four, graphics software. So we can learn about these four single purpose softwares. The first know what is word processor. So as we are daily using the Microsoft Word, so Microsoft Word is a word processor software from Microsoft publication. The word processor software, what is the work of a word processor software? Now we are writing some letters, we are writing some notes. These are done using word processor software. It is only used for writing, letter editing, publishing purpose. Then another is our presentation software. So what do you mean by presentation? Presentation means we can describe or we can show anything in a particular manner using our computer aided design. So one of the presentation software is our slide show. Here we are using some slides. This is known as a presentation software. in the slide we are using different animation designs, different graphic designs, different sounds, pictures, all the pictorial representation are drawn through the slides, so it is known as a presentation software. Another is spreadsheet software. In spreadsheet software we are using some rows and columns. We are using some rows, the horizontal are known as rows and the vertical columns. In these columns we are writing every type of tabulation data using some formulas. Already some formulas are there, so it is easy for doing some mark sheet based program, some commercial based programs. Then another application software is a graphic software. It is used for graphical purpose. Graphics means it is a representation of picture. When you are using some computer games or doing some painting or color paint, we can use this graphical software. So these single function softwares are combined in a single bundle which is known as a integrated software. Let us consider MS Office. This is the publication of Microsoft. It is Microsoft Office is a office publication software which consists of Word or presentation software which is known as PowerPoint, or spreadsheet software which is known as Excel, or database software which is known as Access. So these four softwares are combinedly go through one package known as MS Office. So MS Office is known as a integrated software. Then another thing is utility software. Now come to the third software part which is known as utility software. In case of utility software, what is utility? Utility means in Odia language we can say utility means जोटा हमर आवश्यकता और नित्याନ୍ତ दरकार. हम जेमति निश्वास प्रश्वास ऑटोमेटिक न होचे, सेमति in case of computer what is automatically done, this is known as utility software. मन अगर हम गोटे कंप्यूटर एंटीवायरस पकाइछ, से कंप्यूटर कोन करूचे ना एंटीवायरस तर ऑटोमेटिकली जतले डिटेक्ट करूचे एनी वायरस, it can show a message in the right corner of the computer. Automatically it will work continuously. There is no need of human interaction. जो human interaction दरकार नहीं, कंप्यूटर जो सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेटिकली काम करिवो ताको हम कहबा कोन यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर. तो एंटीवायरस इज एन बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर. Then some key points. Till now read definition of a computer software. Computer software is a collection of programs given to a computer system which can perform a particular task. Then what is the types of computer software? We can read there are three types of computer software. This is our application software, system software and utility software. The different types of system software are our operating system, language processor, database system. These are different types of system softwares. And in application software we find it is categorized into two parts. One is single function, one is multifunction application software or integrated application software. In application software, single function application software, we can find MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, etc. In multifunction, these are bundled together. This is known as our MS Office is a multifunction application software. Then types of application software, we can already describe the type of application software as single function and integrated. Then these are some important questions. What is a system software? System software is a group of or bundle of programs which can give a particular task to manage, control and coordinate different hardware systems with the application software. So what are the different types of computer software? We discussed the different types of computer softwares are system software, application software and utility software. Give the example of different types of application software. We can say in our daily life, WhatsApp, Facebook, in our music system, VLC media player, Windows media player, in our programming system, C, C++, in our commercial system, Tally.